Go mom, you got this. Go mom, yeah, go mom, you got this. Yeah. No, you're supposed to be cleaning, not dancing.
All right, me and Cora are gonna clean the kitchen together. It's a hot mess. Not even gonna try to hide it. So everything is messy. And she was like, let's do a video, which I hate doing videos where we clean because I feel like it makes me go slower, but it was a wish. It's her last week before school. If Cora wants to join me, she can. She's currently playing Minecraft. Cora, do you need this paper that has the sides of the toast?
Yes.
Okay, here. We're gonna clean, dun, 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 dun. We've got laundry to do, so I'm gonna put the laundry in the laundry room. I'm gonna start that. Well, then we do a lot of eating on the pull-out couch. We have a pull-out couch in the living room. There's a napkin. It's probably clean, but I'm gonna throw it away because I'm not sure. So we have, well, trees, but I'm gonna put them in the cabinet. Oh, the door shuts good. I feel really bad that these are wasted. We got a bunch of cookies when people came over. We're gonna take all these towels down. We have towels everywhere. We have towels like, you can't even see me, to dry dishes, to dry hands. Me, Cora, and Mike all have separate towels to dry hands. It's kind of weird, but it's like, it's just the thing. Why? You might ask why. And I don't know that I've thought about it ever. There's one just right by the sink.
That's mine.
That Cora uses. I personally, it's like, what's it called? Not a texture thing, but I don't like using wet towels. I like to dry my hands, like if someone's, so if Cora washes her hands and then it's all wet, it's like, I just want a fresh, dry towel. And Mike, apparently we married each other for a reason, he has more of a texture thing where he doesn't, I like the fluffier towels. I had one up there actually, so it's not a good example, but usually he has a different type of towel there. He doesn't like the really fluffy ones. I don't know. I have no idea. Darn it, I put these, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to rewash that. It's all like dusty, but I put these all in, I'm probably talking to nobody, hi. All in the dishwasher. I'm gonna put these in the sink for now and wash them out. They're all dusty. So I put them in the dishwasher and I didn't even notice they've been sitting under there because I don't know. I don't go on that side. That's where the fruit is. That's where the good for you food is that Cora and Mikey, they have bananas and oranges I don't eat.
Did you just call Dad Mikey?
Mike and, I think I said Mike and Cora. I think we'll have to rewind. Mikey. No, I'm just kidding. I don't think I called him Mikey. But I eat applesauce. I like applesauce. I eat a lot of vegetables. I don't really like fruit that much. I like grapes. I like strawberries. I'm allergic to blueberries. See, all the secrets. So I don't really go over. I didn't notice. You know, sometimes you just get when somewhere you just get like desensitized to it kind of. So that's been there for a few weeks, and now it has dust all over, so I have to like rinse them off at least. Anyway, I don't love those oranges just sitting on the counter. Oh no!
You're entertaining when your mom is not. Okay, I'm done.
I have this bowl. So these are, what are they called, halos? The little clementines or whatever. I don't eat these. Honestly, they're kind of like hard on my stomach. I kind of wish that you do a little tummy. So there we go. We'll put them in a little bowl. And take the soap. This is, I use Clean People laundry stuff, and I also use the dish soap. I love it. So good. And then warm vanilla sugar. Actually, I just ordered, so I'll be doing a video of Bath and Body fall scents. This is my nemesis. My husband insists on having something where he can just put stuff, because when he doesn't feel like drying stuff, which it kills me. I don't like having this ugly thing. Very cute. It's I'm gonna put that there, Cora. We got some scissors. This thing that we use to clean out like the little straws. This is actually mine. Sensations. It's like my favorite beach store. Gives me beach vibes. I'm gonna put that on my desk because that's just decoration. I'm not really. I drink tea in the winter sometimes, but. And then this I'm gonna put away. I can't wait to redo my drawers soon here. If you want that video, write drawers video in the comments. I don't even know. There's a bunch of water bottles that like, I don't know why they're here. I'm gonna put them for my husband because I didn't put them there. So he puts water bottles all over there. If they're just like found somewhere, he just puts them in a corner. No one puts baby in a corner and a ginger ale. So there's a pile for him right next to the pile of socks that I'm actually gonna throw away right now. Cora had a lot of old dirty socks. Nobody wants those, okay? Don't say donate them. Nope. They're old. They're dirty. There's a weird little bean bag. Totally a normal place on the kitchen.
Yeah.
There it is. I almost hit her in the head. Whoopsie. This stays out on the counter. Oh, I have to get that. I still didn't get that off. Put that on my little to-do pile over here. I really do have a to-do pile next to my seat. I'm very out of sight, out of mind. So in the morning, samesies, I put a little pile next to where I eat, so I'll see it. Like if I just send out a bill, or what else is there? Oh, I have to email somebody, and well, I'm connecting two people. I met this woman, and she's an esthetician from Spain, and she can't find a job because she has to get recertified since she's in the US now. So we were just, she was actually the waitress at my favorite restaurant. And so I know some people in the biz, so I said, why don't you give me your email and we can connect you. It can't hurt to know people in the business and maybe they can help you, direct you like what would be the best way to go about it. Maybe they know, maybe you could get an assistant job while you're getting schooling or whatever. So I have her email address out there as a reminder. Unbreak my heart. That's a soup ladle. A soup ladle? No, it's not. Here's the paper towels. And now we can show you. All right, so everything is clear. Now we just gotta spray everything.
Right.
I'm gonna clean off what we do, I guess. Unplug that guy. I clean off the top. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. I don't know how. Here we go. I guess we'll set up in different spots. I mean, how exciting is that? Oh, I have to make the solution. Okay, so how we make our solution. It's like an all-purpose solution, right? Cora wrote everything on it. Everything cleaner. So.
Wait, that was supposed to be blue.
It faded, I guess. What, that? Oh, that thing? Probably faded because we have a sunlight up there. And if you want anything to not fade, this paper.
Oh, get a sunlight.
Yeah, so let me see the ratio. 1 tablespoon per quart of water. So, I mean, that's probably enough, right? Okay, so we're gonna fill this with water. Do you want to fill it?
Me? Yes.
Okay, here you go. Fill it with water. Oh yeah, I should put the water in first. So, lesson not learned because we've done this like a million times.
I want to see a high up view in Minecraft. So I'm on top of my small house here.
It's very interesting. So she's going to a new private school, right? And so we went to donate. We're donated like her old kitchen and dress up toys and all this stuff for the pre-K. So we went there this morning, brought it all over. And I don't know if it's secretary or manager or whatever. I don't know her exact title. She's very sweet. But Cora came in and was like, can I wear these to school? And she was like, no. No. And they can't wear jewelry either. I didn't know it was I heard it was kind of more strict than her last school, but kind of funny. So I'm gonna wipe this while you're here. Spray down this whole thing. Actually, clear off the crumbs first with paper.
What if there's like stuff?
Huh?
You know, I don't like to do that
Oh,
because
just your allergies?
Because you know, Dad has stuff that's like contaminated with
Contaminated, like cross-contamination possibilities?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Dad. Thanks, Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So, there's your nasty crumbs for the day. There you go. I'm going to get you spray closer, honey.
Oh. Look how far it sprays, though.
We can actually spray everything first and then you're supposed, no. You're supposed to leave it on for a while. That's what they say with cleansers. Do you know that, guys? You're not supposed to wipe it right away. Here's my ring holder.
Okay.
My dad gave me from Buckingham Palace. First of all, it's dirty. I need to clean it. Buckingham Palace when he went. That's where the queen lives. There's no ring in it. It's a ring holder. I put next to the sink to be like, oh, when I wash my hands and I take my rings off. I don't ever do that.
I can do the...
Oh, don't spray in the vent. Hold on.
Sorry.
Emergency. National emergency. Sorry, I'm like, hey guys. All right. Anyway, yeah, Buckingham Palace. Cool story, bro. So, anything else we need to do? The refrigerator. I'll take you with me. We're going to the fridge. Okay. So, Cora's airline. Very cute. Can we take this down?
No.
Okay, can we take it off because we have to clean the refrigerator? So take those things off. This is from Limoncello from my honeymoon when we went to Italy. There's a lot of stuff there I just don't even take off. I don't clean that side. It's a hassle. This we have to see what temperature our freezer and fridge are. All right, go clean. I thought you were cleaning, lady.
Yeah,
You sprayed everywhere? Enough?
I'll spray it again.
I feel like I'm gonna spray. Hold on. I'm gonna get the windowsill.
Oh.
You wanna? You can't. Can you reach there?
This is my best friend.
Your stool. I can't see it right now. This is hard to do.
Can I sit on the
No. All right, we'll continue in a moment. This has seen better days. This guy, because it's black, it gets like dusty, even if you don't wipe it, like for a few days. It gets nasty. So I'm wiping it as we speak.
What next?
All right. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this, hopefully not Cora's eye, and I want to show you. It works really well on stainless steel.
Can I try?
Yeah, that'd be easier actually. Wait, let me show. Can you even see how? Yeah, see it's dirty. There you go. See, it works perfectly. You gotta go with the grains. No, not in circles. Just like back and forth. There you go. It's perfect, which is good because some cleansers no good on stainless steel. Yep, sideways only. There it is, and get that handle. Don't forget that handle, girl. Get the top. Teach them young. Okay, so for this, I just use a wet paper towel to wipe.
I would like to meet my best friend, Betty. This is my best friend.
Ooh, there's Betty.
She helps me.
And then we have this little guy we can go shake off. Gotta shake it off, cause I love it in the same. Do that, and then I have to, Just rinse her off. This is, I only have two hands, so I can't really get it all the way, so I'm gonna have to go. So I can do this correctly and put it back in.
Go mom, you got this. Go mom, yeah, go mom, you got this. Yeah. No, you're supposed to be cleaning, not dancing. Go mom. There's my mother with her beautiful face. Quick check-in on this. We are, what, halfway done?
I am so sad. You know why?
Why?
You know how much I love summer?
Yes.
You know it's the last week of what really feels like summer because
Yes.
school starts. So we're gonna celebrate in style with some flamingos, some palms. It's a bright yellow.
I love the Halloween towels. Like, they are the
The
best.
Halloween ones, they're really cute.
Yes.
All right, this one, I'm gonna make mine. Here's, which one do you want? This one or this one? Flamingos? Oh, they both have flamingos.
Which one do you want? I kind of want this
I'm
one.
having, that one's already up.
All right, wait, guys. You vote. You vote which one you
Which
want
towel should
in the
Cora have?
in the comments. Yes.
Okay.
Do you want to get one more close up? Wee. There's Mom. Get the towels hung up. Doing her.
Hold them in the little trifold. Dun, 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 boom. Welcome to paradise. So me and Hubs have these, and then Cora, unless you vote otherwise, we'll have this one. I like that because these are the same and near each other and look cohesive. Get it out! Get it out! Now I guess we have to do the laundry room next. There it is, clean kitchen! We hope you had fun. Do you like these cleaning videos? I don't know about them, but Cora really wanted to. I said we would, but let us know if you like them in the comments.
Makes cleaning fun.
We forgot something.
Yeah.
And something else.
Yeah.
I do want to get this off, but
forgot
okay,
this.
put it in the corner, please. Back to its spot. Nobody puts baby in the corner. And this I'm going to put over. Oh,
Wait.
I gotta get that stuff off. I know. I'll do that after, but I just want to give you the gist. Here we go.
See that?